Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Data Loss Prevention for sensitive data protection, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type the URL for Google Cloud Platform into the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Google Cloud Platform homepage. If you already have an account, locate the Sign In button in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Google account. Type in your email address and click Next. Next, you will be asked to input your password. Enter your password and click Next to continue. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Google Cloud Console dashboard. In the left-hand menu, locate the Security section. Click on Security to expand the options. Under the Security section, find and click on Data Loss Prevention. You may encounter a welcome page upon accessing Data Loss Prevention. Review any relevant information and click on Get Started. You will see an overview of DLP features and settings. Now, you can create a new DLP configuration by clicking on the Create Job button. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your DLP job. Choose what data you want to scan for sensitive information. Select the data sources from which you want to protect sensitive data. Specify any specific content types or conditions for detection. After configuring your options, review the settings. If everything looks good, click on Create to finalize your DLP job. Your data loss prevention job will now be configured to help protect sensitive data. You can monitor the performance and results within the Data Loss Prevention dashboard. Always ensure to review DLP reports for any detected sensitive data. Adjust your settings as necessary based on the reports received. This process will help safeguard your sensitive information effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.